Welcome back guys, Cryptofly channel that I would like to talk about a total charts, market capitalization, where we will finish the rights this cycle. Let's dive in. Right guys, so this chart's still relevant. I'm still waiting this green block. You remember we mark all of these levels, I guess in zone 22, just by simple feed. So it was like impulse, correction, just a little bit deeper correction, and last impulse I'm way to 4.94 trillion market capitalization, maybe a little bit higher. So take a look. This is a 492 trillion, 2.61 level by FIB. The next one, if we get a pass, this one by miracle, some miracle happened, it's can be the 6.37 trillion. But I'm not sure about so high trillion capitalization, but at least I don't think so. This is the end of cycle for now. So the question is, if and when the BTC hit the last all-time high, will that liquidity inflow into us, or the big guys just fix the profit and sit in stable coins? So that's the main question. Do they want to risk their money, their profit from the BTC once again with the altcoins or not? So we can't know. That's why, guys, yes, it's like not a big movement here to the 2.61 level by FIB, and maybe the liquidity just inflow. It's a worst case scenario for us, inflow into BTC, the total market capitalization pump it, and after that, it shrinks to the bottom, to the bear market, and the money not inflow into altcoins. That's a kind of silly scenario, but it's possible. Also, this was another FIB extension. This was like impulse, correction, 78 level by FIB, and next step is 8 trillion, 529. This one. So this is a market block. Guys, both of that direction showing us, so I don't think so. This is the end of cycle at 4.27 trillion capitalization. I think we'll see another impulse up to the top. Let me show you with my indicator set what's going on now. So weekly time frame, we hit the exit line. Logically, we can see the small pullback by line. On total, it's like a buy line, but of course we can't buy the total market capitalization. This is like a level where we can see the support. It's 2.58 trillion. I don't think so we're gonna hit that levels now. That's why by logic, by seasonality, we still not see the A3 around. I guess we're gonna hit this green block. And the take profit line on the daily now on crypto market cap, it's 5.13 trillion. Exit line on the daily, it's 5.78 trillions. So some of these levels, I think we're gonna hit, and only of course, if the BTC not ended the cycle with 126K. Yet, because we can't know at the current moment it was a top of the top or not. All of that indicators, 30 indicators on CoinGlass still not signaling us the BTC reached the peak of the cycle. That's why I hope the cycle will be a little bit extended in time. Maybe we'll see this top of the top in November, maybe in January. We can't know the timing, right? We can work only with the targets. That's why logically, I wish to see the continuation of the rally. Oh, I can't put the mark of the price here. Oh, I got it. Buy line on the weekly time frame, it's 1.9 trillion. I don't think so we're gonna hit that low, but 1.9 or 2 trillions, it can be the bottom for the cycle bear market, just in case. Let's double check with other indicators like ADZ direction. This is not a top of the top on the weekly, so we can form the bigger awareness like this one, and from that top we can form, I don't know, it's hard to say about the higher price target. So maybe it's going to be the February 26. ADZ, this is not a top of the top. The monthly time frame, we formed the biggest awareness ever, but I wish to see the top, test of the top again. And after that, the drop. Based on the monthly time frame, we trade way over exit line. It's a test of exit line. It can be the bottom for the next bear market. Also, it's 2 trillions. And the buy line on the monthly, it's 920 24 billion. I don't think so. The money will crash so hard under 1 trillion capitalization of crypto industry. And now we see that we never seen just once here in December and January, somebody 4, somebody 5. We saw that drops. Now 4 months in a row, the big guys fix the profit. I hope they fix the profit from the not from the alts. I hope they fix the profit from the BTC and start to inflow that money into alts. Because if not, if they fix the profit from alts and BTC, same time, we are in the big troubles with altcoins, guys, unfortunately. So take profit, I showed you. The question one and only, guys, if the money will inflow into alts or not. Time to accumulate alts was, especially with the BTC, now it's time to distribute. But not all of these altcoins and many of them will, not all of them will survive, and many of them will be vanished from the market. That's what I want to say. Based on the daily time frame, total market capitalization here was a depression capitulation at the end of September. Now we once again in the A3 zone. It's kind of scary. There is no money inflow on a daily, weekly. A lot of bearish signals, guys. A lot of bearish signals. Here was money outflow in June. Now nothing. And the monthly here, yes. Money outflow. Last time we need 1, 2, 3 months in a row money outflow. I hope we will see the same story. So here 1, 2, 3 drop. 1, 2, 3 drop. Just the first months. So October, November, December. By end of the year, I hope we're gonna hit the top, and after that, some small pullback. And if the cycle extended in time, maybe the spring zone with a 6 will bring us the new all-time high, or just a cat bounce. So just in case. Now, like you can see, the history start repeat itself, and yes, the first months of distribution. It's kind of scary, but it is what it is. Trade on, guys. So the last indicator, sell, drop, buyback, 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 sell, no buybacks, sell, sell. So this is how the whales distribute step by step, because they needed time. Sell, buyback, at least good news. We don't see the signal to sell yet on the weekly. So I hope we will see the continuation higher. Some guys, shield this as it was the cup and handle, and that cup and handle, if we cut almost on the line chart, it's hard to call it the cup and handle, but all right, let's imagine this is a cup and handle. So yes, this could be like 4.48 trillion capitalization, so around 475, 450, 5 trillions, but not higher. If higher, yes, the next step, I told you at the beginning of this video. Daily time frame, sell, buybacks, no signal to sell. It's good. It's good. So looks like it's just an impulse sideways. You need to see another impulse up. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write, please, and comment what is your realistic target for total market capitalization. If you'd like to trade with my customer, I would show it in this video. Use right medium. Don't forget your Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.